welcome to Measurements with a Gamma Scout in a nutshell. In this video, we will guide you through the measurement functions in the dose rate mode of the Gamma Scout. The dose rate mode provides a convenient way to quickly estimate the radiation exposure. To enter this operating mode, press the yellow button when in any other operating mode. Now the current gamma dose rate will be displayed every 2 seconds. Let us quickly recall how the Gamma Scout determines its dose rate. As equipped with an end window GM counter, the count rate strongly depends on the gamma ray energy. Because a dose conversion for cesium-137 has been selected, the dose rate displayed is for this radionuclide. This is not the same as displaying the dose rate HP10 dot, which is used nowadays in radiation protection. The calibration for this dose unit requires a detector with almost uniform efficiency for all gamma ray energies. Nevertheless, the numeric values are not too different, and increasing or decreasing dose rates can be observed in either case. In the standard operating mode, as mentioned earlier, the current radiation dose rate is displayed. Pressing the yellow button again reveals the daily average radiation exposure, indicated by the symbol H bar appearing on the bottom left corner of the display. The Gamma Scout is also capable of recording a cumulative dose over an extended time to allow estimating the radiation exposure. Disclaimer: the Gamma Scout in and of itself is not a dosimeter in the conventional sense. In Germany, the design of a device needs to be approved as dosimeter, and also the calibration has to be controlled by the gauging authority. The Gamma Scout is an instrument which estimates the dose rate from counting measurements with regard to the gamma radiation of the nucleus of cesium-137, without considering the source which is actually present. To calculate the cumulative dose, dose rate values are summed up over time. In the dose rate mode, access the Gamma Scout sum menu by pressing the Enter button. Using the 2 arrow buttons, the first step is to set a warning threshold. Press Enter to input this warning threshold. Upon surpassing it, a warning symbol appears in the bottom right of the display, and depending on the model, an audible alert may be triggered. When pressing Enter again, the measurement is initiated. Check the bottom left of the display to verify if the measurement is ongoing. The cumulative dose is being calculated as long as the sum symbol sigma appears in front of a black background. You can now display the cumulative dose by pressing the Enter key during an active measurement. The Gamma Scout will then present the total radiation exposure since the beginning of the measurement. It is essential to emphasize that the natural background is not corrected for in this calculation. This background consistently fluctuates depending on the region. In Germany, the average background readings are between 0.05 and up to 0.18 microsieverts per hour. If by exceeding the threshold an alert is triggered, it can be dismissed by pressing Enter once more. For interrupting the summation measurement, display the cumulative dose using Enter. Pressing the upper arrow will indicate Stop on the display, allowing the recording to be paused by pressing Enter. You may continue the recording by following a similar procedure as described earlier. Press the Enter key to display the cumulative dose rate first. Thereafter, press Enter another time. Run should now be displayed on screen. The paused measurement can be resumed by pressing Enter once again. The Gamma Scout has no option to turn it off. It remains operational for up to 10 years, allowing it to measure the cumulative dose continuously. To erase the recorded data, follow the earlier steps to interrupt the ongoing summation. Afterwards, use the Enter key to display the cumulative dose rate. Upon pressing the upper arrow key, the display will show Delete. Confirm by pressing Enter to delete all recorded data. In conclusion, it's imperative to bear in mind the following. Irrespective of your location, be it at home, outdoors, or even under a lead shield, the cumulative dose and the dose rate will never register 0 during continuous measurement. Ionizing radiation from natural sources surrounds us universally. Therefore, achieving 100% shielding is unattainable. And on that note, we bid farewell and sincerely thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for all our future content. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. We look forward to seeing you again next time. Until then, take care and see you soon.